So this is day 2 of me planting my ground covers. As you see here, these are the Blue Pacific Junipers, 3 gallons each. I have about 7 of them, and I am going to go and actually add those out here. I have about 7 or 8 holes marked off, so I'm probably going to stagger those out. I'm looking forward to it. I have a lot of work to do as far as the work to get these babies in, and hopefully they'll grow. I'm in Georgia. It's about 80, 90 degrees, so I do have to wait till sundown a little bit. But as you see, it's a hardy plant. Pretty nice. You got to make sure you plant them when it's cooler out, so probably a little bit closer to the end of the afternoon when it starts cooling down. And then going back to here, I was considering adding a drip system just to have something there. So I did lay that out so that the heat can kind of soften up the material, and then I will cut it so that I can start adding the end pieces to it and get some water flowing through it. Thank you.